Hamilton Studios.
Hamilton Studios.
Hamilton Studios.
Hamilton Studios.
Hamilton Studios.
My name is William Hamilton, and I'm the lead cinematographer and CEO of Hamilton Studios.
We live in a very visual world that people they don't read as much as they used to. I think the emphasis now more is people seeing rather than reading. That's why I think video is important. And it's just nice to have somebody that is an expert in that field and that then can give you memories that you'll have for a lifetime. I don't mind spending the money if I know I'm going to get a good product in return. And I think with these guys, you're not going to regret spending the money because you're going to get a good quality product, a first-class product.
I'd recommend Hamilton and Butel. They're really easy to work with, do really good job making high quality content, and put you at ease about maybe doing something that video-wise that you're not used to doing before.
Well, I definitely recommend Butel and Hamilton. They are super easy to work with. They'll do whatever you would like them to do. So I definitely recommend them to anyone. They're creative. And again, just the process, just booking them when they're on site, they're pros. So I definitely recommend them to others.
We knew we needed to do something. The first name that came to mind was the Hamilton Studios. So I called Will up, and he was here quickly, and we were able to work out a system very seamlessly.
They listen to what you need, so they'll fit into whatever your vision is, and that's one aspect that I really enjoyed working with them.
The entire program from start to finish was really simple, and one of the reasons it was simple, one of the reasons it was easy, and frankly one of the reasons it was enjoyable is because I really like working with these guys. They're easy to work with, they're easy to get along with. They were willing to listen to any of my suggestions. They of course came up with their own ideas because they're professionals in what they're doing, but they're just really easy to work with and will listen to me when I put in any kind of concerns or any kind of ideas.
To be honest, with being new to video kinds of things, I didn't have much expectations. All I've done before is me with a camcorder or a phone, and that's not great. And so to see what came out from our experience, that really kind of impressed the people who were checking out the things that we were producing. I think that Hamilton and Butel, they're easygoing and easy to work with, had a clear idea of what they want to do, but are able to make adjustments as we needed to.
The final product of Butel and Hamilton were top-notch. They were exactly what we wanted, and in fact, they exceeded what I was looking for.
The expertise they bring, the equipment that they bring. So I think that's great. I think that they are young guys that are hungry to do a good job. You know, they're not just doing it for a buck. They care personally about doing exceptional work, and they care about how their work looks. So that's why I would recommend Hamilton and Butel.
Well, a big benefit of using Media Solutions is you have a resource for life. And whether it's a video that they make or a project they work with you, you have that to be used for promoting your materials the next year or after an event, whatever you want to do. That's something that you always have.
Video and audio production can effectively and easily introduce your customers to your ideas, your products, and your services. So, what services does Hamilton Studios provide? Well, we do everything from weddings to commercials and real estate to music videos and interviews to short films and Disney-styled music to hip-hop and rap, Christian, country, and more. If you want it, we can do it. So Hamilton Studios has worked with choirs, churches, bands, and more to produce the highest quality concerts, videos, production, albums, anything you like. Let's get your project going today.